What lists are you using to get these leads?
Shit, man, using a bunch of lists, but my bread and butter list people ain't hip to is the bad credit list. So what you do is you take a bad credit list. There's a website you can go to where you can filter these different filters. So I take a bad credit list. I look for people that's over the age of 50, right? I look for people with income less than 35,000 a year, and I look for people with credit scores less than 550. I combine all that into one list, and then I turn around, take that list, and go to PropStream and use their list automated. And then I start pulling my high equities. I start pulling my pre-foreclosures because it fits everything that a seller would want to sell inside the criteria.
Wow. Okay. And what was that? 35,000?
Less than 35,000 income. Because
Okay.
think about
Wow.
this: if I had high equity and I'm over the age of 50 and my income less than 35,000, my credit score less than 550, what's the possibility of me refinancing into a new loan with the high equity, even if it's free and clear?
Wow. And where are you getting this bad credit list?
Unlimited, unlimited melonlist.com. Melon
Wow.
list with an S, $50 a month. It even come with phone numbers. Now, why would someone like myself tell you that if I own my own skip trades company? Because I genuinely want to see people win. So even if you're flat broke and you don't have shit, just go to unlimited mailer list and just bang them lists out until you get something going on. And you might get a lot of bad numbers, but at the end of the day, you got two choices. You can pay to play or you can just bootstrap it. Yeah, if you Google unlimitedmelonlist.com, it'll pop up. $50 a month. You can pull as many leads as you want in any market. Like I said, the way you really make it effective is you use the PropStream list automated to make sure that, okay, these people got high equity. Okay, these people in pre-foreclosure, whatever criteria you're looking to pull.
Wow. That's impressive. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.